Welcome back to Alkaline TV. This is Douglas Dennis, the Alkaline Chef. Today we're making Spelt Crepes. Isn't that amazing? No wheat, no dairy, no problem. These are alkaline, vegan. Look at that cream inside. How are we getting cream without dairy? Well, check it out to the end and we will make Spelt Crepes. And these are amazing. We even made a crepe cake out of them, but that is for another video. So thank you for tuning in. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the bell icon for more alkaline, vegan cooking videos. Check out that fresh raspberry right there. Let's get started. So first we're going to use a coffee grinder and grind down the sugar. This is date sugar and we're grinding it down to make it into a powdered sugar. So this is how we're making the cream. And then we take some coconut cream with a whisk and whisk all of the water out of it and pour it out if there is any, and then you'll be left with this thick cream. And we're going to put that powdered sugar into this cream and make a sweet cream. I'm getting excited. Here we go. Now this is your homemade powdered sugar. Whisk it right in there as fast as you can and keep it nice and fluffy. Nice and thick. And this is probably about 1/8 of a cup of sugar, but you can add more depending on your taste. If you like it very sweet, it depends. You can always put more sweet syrup on top. We use date syrup and also agave nectar. So we're just adding all this in there. Might have used more towards 1/4 of a cup of the powdered sugar, but we didn't pack it down or anything like that. It was just powdery and fluffy. All right, now here is the crepe batter, and it's very thin compared to pancake batter. As you can see, we're using a ladle, and this is a cup of spelt flour. You can check out the description for the kind of spelt flour I use. And as you can see, it's very thin, very, very thin. You have to be careful with this, but once you get it down, wow, amazing. 1 cup spelt flour, 1/2 cup chickpea flour, 3/4 of a cup coconut milk, 1/2 cup water, and 3 tablespoons coconut oil. That's what's in that batter. And there's one. Look how great it turned out. Perfectly thin. Very thin. Very good. Amazing. And you can top it however you want. There's the date syrup with that cream in the middle. Oh man. You can also use blueberries, fresh with some agave. The date syrup can't be beat though. And there's some fresh raspberries and coconut cream. Thank you for tuning in till the end. This has been Alkaline TV, and we have a lot more videos like this. If you're going alkaline or you already have, or you just want some good vegan recipes, we've got you covered. There's a lot more recipes and information on the channel. And also, if you're ready to dive all in and completely change your life around, I also have a life transformation program. There's a link in the description, but that is not for everyone. So that's only if you're absolutely serious, and let's face it, most people aren't. But thank you so much for watching, and please like and subscribe. It helps the YouTube algorithm to boost my channel, and I can use all the boost I can get. I'm really working hard on this channel, and I appreciate all the new subscribers and everyone new that's tuning in, and everyone that's been tuning in for years. I appreciate you as well. See you in the next video. Have an amazing day on purpose.